Well, hello lovelies and welcome to Launch with Camille channel, a channel that helps female entrepreneurs create wildly successful businesses. So I am here in my Canva dashboard today because I want to show you all about how to create really successful social media posts that are engaging, that get clients, and that get you sorted out for the year. So I really struggle with this in my business and to begin with, and it's actually creating posts, being consistent on all social media channels. And if you wanted to do a couple of channels, it was actually trying to find out, okay, which one can I work on? And I really would recommend going with one to begin with, but I have you covered with the Boss Babe bundles. I'm so excited to show you this. Now in here, it's so important. They've got 3,000 templates and I've created them all for you. They are all graphics, all done. And of course you've got the Boss Babe captions as well, which is a bonus, which is right down the bottom here. So I'm going to dive straight into that one just to show you quickly. That's 365 captions for your social media posts. And I've created that with all businesses in mind. So no matter what niche you have, you'll be able to use those. You will be able to get it in an Excel spreadsheet. But also if you love Trello, I've got a Trello board waiting for you. Boss Babe bundles, what enough is that, you're probably asking? And this is it. This is the screen. This is what you get when you start, and it's a load of bundles from different niches. But you're probably thinking, Camille, like, I'm not going to use a beauty bundle. Like, I'm not going to use that. It doesn't matter. You can still use that. I've just named it as a beauty bundle because the images that I've put in there for inspiration are about beauty. But you can use that completely any way you would like, and I'm going to show you how in a moment. So let's head back to the Boss Babe bundles. Here you've got obviously your launch pad, how you start, how you get started. Let's do it like Beyonce and get some really good engaging posts here. So I'm going to show you one, for example. This is called the coaching bundle. Again, you don't have to be a coach to use this bundle. They are just simply put into these niches to help you if you want to just focus on one particular one. Now within these bundles you also get square posts, so that's for Facebook and Instagram, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Pinterest pins, Facebook covers, email bundles and banners even, blog banners, ebooks, and of course that mood board if you would like to start there to find out what your branding looks like and how you can use it in these particular posts. Let's get started. So you actually have down here, you can click on this button and download the bundle, and that's going to bring out a PDF, so you can also get the links from there. But if you would like to just click onto this link here, it will bring you out straight to your Canva templates in here. So this will be your first one, and you hit use templates there. Here we are. So these are your Canva templates, and within this particular pack you've got 100 graphics here for you. Now don't feel overwhelmed, because actually when you have a look through this, you can use as many or as little as you want. Now I'm going to take a particular section of these. Now it might be that you don't want to buy these particular bundles. That's absolutely fine, and you have your own templates you're working on. That's great too. I'm going to show you how to really optimize particular posts on Canva and really make them your own. So I've taken a selection of these particular posts and I put them into a separate file, if you like, on Canva. So here we have these here. So let's go over to the first template here. Now it might be that this doesn't match your branding, so you can take that element out. So I've put these elements in here. Let's make that a bit darker so you can put your branding name in there. Right, so for now, let's say you are a fitness guru and you want this all to be about fitness. So we're going to find the right picture particularly for you. How you would do this is you would come over to filters and you'd find your branding color. So you would go up to the plus sign here and you would put in your branding color here. So for example, and then press apply. So we're going to be using this green today. So we've clicked that in there, and then we're going to apply to filters. So this is actually going to bring out all the pictures that actually have this color or close to this color of your branding color. We're going to use this one for now, and we're going to just make the transparency a bit cleaner there. So that's the first post. The second post, and then you just simply click on grids. So this is going to bring up a plain post there. So plain frame. Now you're going to go up to the one that's going to closest look like your branding colour. Tell you what, I'll put her in. If you have the Pro, you'll be able to remove the background of your pictures, which really helps with your branding. Pull it over to the side and then click onto the background. Click onto this colour chart here, and you're going to add in a blue background. Okay, so she's going to be there. That's going to be our image that you're going to have on this particular one. Now, don't worry if you don't have the particular, remove background or the Pro account. You can actually put your own branded pictures in here that actually symbolize your colors. These are easy. You can simply take these elements out and you can actually search for your own. So let's put in fitness. And let's put in this lady here. Lovely stretches. And you can copy and paste. And head over to the top and flip her around. Okay. Change that. You can also change the font. Oops, sorry. Then you go over, click onto the font, and you can select a font from here that best suits your business, or you can actually upload your own font down at the bottom there. Okay, but let's say, for example, this is ours. Again, elements. Take off what you were last searching, go right down to the bottom, click grids. And we're going to pick another picture here. So let's drag and drop that one because that's actually quite close to the branding colors. Let's switch this round now. So we're going to our other branding color here, picking out the blue. They're starting to take shape now. And for the final one here, let's go down, click onto grids, photos. Let's get another one. Okay. So let's have a look at your feed now. So you've got these are starting to take shape now. Obviously thinking about your branding colors. It might be you think, well, this doesn't actually look that in brand. So again, editing the background or bringing in your own particular picture and matching it up to your brand. So we're now going to have a look at these particular posts. Now this is starting to take shape. It looks beautiful. You can swap these around if you like. If they need to go in between like that, you can even add in another one here if you would like. They have got your branding colors on. You've got your pictures in there that you've added or actually brought in from Canva. And you have a beautiful looking feed. Not only that, you've got the content in there ready to get going, and you've got no excuse to bring your clients in. So there you have it, a social media feed that's starting to take place, already a week's worth of content, and of course you have those captions there ready for you. If you want to know more about the Boss Babe bundles, then definitely head to the link below and grab those 3,000 templates because they are not going to be on an offer for long. I hope you enjoyed this. I've got plenty more where this is coming from, and I hope you get a chance to tune in to my other videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing. I can't wait to make more videos for you, and I'll see you in the next one. See you there. Bye bye.